see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So what's up guys, this is Raf and another video is here. So I've been looking for a good cheap wireless charger for a while now, and I wanted to have a wireless charger with a stand and can work with both Android and iPhones. And I found this. So this is the Choetech wireless charger. But before we get started, let's do the unboxing. Let's take this off first. And we got here this charging cable, and this is only with the micro USB. So that's a little bit disappointing since of course a lot of users Type-C already. Then some VIP card, and I think some instruction manuals as well, or warranty guides. Yes, it's a user manual. Alright, let's remove its plastic here. So first experience here, it's just okay. The design is fine, and this is only available I think with the black color. There you can see some charging information, and overall it's a good design. And that is for the unboxing. And I have used this wireless charger for a couple of weeks already, and here are the pros and cons that I experienced. So let's go with the pros first. So first would be the compatibility. So what I like on this wireless charger is it will work on both Android and iPhones. As we all know, Android uses USB Type-C while iPhones uses Lightning. It's always hassle to look for those wired cable chargers, and both of them are different to each other. And it is really life-changing just using one charger on both of your phones. It's more convenient and less time-consuming. Second, it is cheap. In our current situation on our world right now, it is better that we are able to get savings from our purchases. Every dollar counts. And that's what I like with this wireless charger, is that it is cheap. So for the cons. So first, it's still using micro USB cable. I'm shocked that its cable still uses a micro USB. In 2021, it's already outdated, and most of our devices are using already USB Type-C. And for my experience, USB Type-C is more durable, and it can supply much faster data or power for fast charging. Second would be its charging speed. Since it is using only micro USB cable, its charging speed is just average. Although on the box, it is indicated that it is a 10 watts fast charging, of course most of our USB Type-C charger can charge faster than that. With other like Xiaomi was able to get around 120 watts of fast charging. Other things that I would like to mention too is that it does have a 2-coil system on the pad. So it does have a larger range for wireless charging, thus you can put your phone either in horizontal or vertical. They mentioned too that they have a charging protection system for an added security. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this product, and it works well, and it is cheap. You can get it for around $10 to $15 internationally, or 500 to 600 pesos here in the Philippines. Now, I just mainly use this for charging both my Android and iPhones. So that is my review for this Choetech wireless charger. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.